There are situations where you need unconventional solutions, even when everything is going according to plan. Life can surprise. No matter what happens, GPPH is on your side. We unite to cope with the strangest situations. You never know what problem will come your way, or that of your client. Our welding tables are more than just welding equipment. They are support that transforms your work, taking it to a completely new, better level. They are well thought out ergonomics that make work more enjoyable and more precise. We are aware that welders know their craft. Our mission is to show them how to fully use the potential of the welding table and make work even more satisfying. Because of additional equipment, welding becomes faster and more efficient, which translates into savings and increased profits. Quality is the foundation of our company. Our passion for excellence and the commitment of our experienced engineers and specialists ensure that our products are not only innovative, but also reliable and durable.